Are you looking for a Cloud Library ebook? Start at the Danforth and NEC Library homepage. Click on the tab to find books and enter the library's online catalog. You can enter the Danforth Library catalog here, or down below you can enter the NEC Library catalog. Either one will work. Enter your title or search terms. Use the limiter to limit by ebooks. Here's the title I've been looking for, and I can see that it is a Cloud Library ebook by the Cloud Library icon that appears here. I'm going to proceed to check out. But first, the library wants me to log into my library account. I can do that with my NEC ID number as the username and the last 4 digits of that very number as the password. Here's the book I want to check out. I can proceed to check out now. The checkout was a success. Now, to read the book, I need to get the Cloud Library app on my device. I can do that by going to my app store. It's a free app, or you can head on over to the Cloud Library site here. Once at the Cloud Library site, follow the instructions to get the app for your device. Once you get into the app, it will ask you to select your country, your state, your local library, which would either be the Danforth or NEC Library, depending on which one you use. Once in the app, log into your app using the same NEC ID number and the last 4 digits of that number as your password. And once you're logged in, you can select My Books, and you'll see the book that you just checked out will be waiting for you. What's cool about the Cloud Library app is it syncs on multiple devices. So if you have the app on your laptop and you have it on your phone, that book will be waiting there in either location for reading. If you have any questions about the Cloud Library or anything library related, contact libraryhelp@nec.edu and we'd be happy to help.